ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरं प्रसन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोऽहमनवद्यं च सूत्रं
स्तोत्रविदो
सूत्रविदो विदुः।
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमास्तथा
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि आदेश
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि
आगमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो गणपाठः उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
प्रत्ययः
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
परश्च
आद्युदातश्च
आनुदात्तश्च
अनुदातो सुप्रितो
अनुदातौ सुप्तितौ
गुप्तचिकिद्भ्यः सन्
गुप्तचिकिद्भ्यः सन्
मान् भदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मान् भददांशाभ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातो कर्मणसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातो कर्मणः समानकर्त्यादिच्छायां वा
सुप आत्मनख्य च
सुप आत्मनः च
काम यच्च
काम्यच्च
उपमानादाचारे
उपमानादाचारे
अधिकरणा चेति वक्तव्यम्
अधिकरणाच्चेति वक्तव्यम्
कर्तृक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तृत्वं सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः कृत्वा वक्तव्यः।
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः कृत्वा वक्तव्यः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
भृचादिभ्यो भुव्यश्वेलोपश्च हरः
लोहितादिडाज्भ्यक्ष्यश्
रोहितादिदाभ्यः
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणोरोमध्यतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणोरोमन्ततपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकन्भमेघेभ्यः
शब्दवैरलहाभ्रकम्बमेघेभ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनाय
नमो वरिवश्चित्रहत्य च
नमो वरिवश्चित्रहत्य च
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराण्णिङ्
उच्चभाण्डचीवराणि
मुण्डमिष्टश्लक्ष्णलवनावृतवस्त्रालकलकृततुस्तेभ्यो णिच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्मलवनवस्त्रकालकृततोस्तेभ्यो च
धातोरेकाचो हलादे क्रिया समभिहारे यङ्
धातोरेकचो हलादिः क्रियासमभिहारे
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
लुपसदचरजपजपदगदशगुरुभ्यो भावगर्हाय
उपसदचरजपञ्जपदहदशरेभ्यो भावकर्हाय
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातोलश्लोकसेनालोमत्पशवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निश
सत्यावपाशरूपवीणतूलश्लोकसेन लोमत्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो च
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक
कण्वादिभ्यो युक्
गुपोधूपविच्छिपनिपनिभ्य आयः
बोधोपविच्छित्पणिपणिभ्य आयः
ऋतिप्रियङ्
ऋतेर्यं
कमेर्णिङ्
कमेर्णिं
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
आयादय आदधातुके वा
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सनाद्यन्ताधातवः
शतासि लुलुटोः
शतासेर्लुटोः
सिब्बकुलं लेटी
सिब्बकुलं लेटी
कास् प्रत्ययादावमन्त्रे लिटि
कास् प्रत्ययादावन्त्रे लिटि
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो नुच्चः
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो निच्छः
दयायासश्च
दयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्तरस्याम्
भ्रीह्रीभृहुवां श्लवच्च
भीर्भृहुवांश्लवश्च
क्रञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
किञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
विदां कुर्वां त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां जकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद्विदामकरण्यति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां क्रियां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियादिविदां छन्दसि
श्लीलुङि
श्लीलुङि
श्लेघसि च
श्लेषसि च
शलैकुपदादनिटक्सः
शलैकुपदानितक्सः
श्लिश आलिङ्गने
श्लिश आलिङ्गने
नदृशः
दृशः
निश्रीदृसृभ्यः कर्तरि चङ्
श्रीदृशुभ्यः कर्तरि
विभाषाधेष्व्योः
विभाषाध्येष्वयोः
गुपेश्छन्दसि
छन्दसि
नोनयति ध्वनियत्येलयर्दयतिभ्यः नोनयति ध्वनियत्येलयत्यर्दयतिभ्यः
नोनयति ध्वनियत्यर्दयतिभ्यः
अस्यातिभक्तिख्यादिभ्यो अस्यतिभक्तिख्यादिभ्योङ्
अस्यतिभक्तिख्यादिभ्यो
लिपिस्सिचिह्वश्च
लिपिसिचिह्वश्च
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
आत्मनेपदेशन्तरस्याम्
उषादिद्युतादुदितः परस्मै पदेषु
उषादिदितादिर्ललितपरस्मैपदेषु
स्तर्तिशास्त्यर्थिभ्यश्च
प्रतिशास्त्यर्थिभ्यश्च
ऋतो वा
ऋतो वा
जृस्तम्भो मृचु मृचु गृचु ग्लुञ्चोष्विभ्यश्च
जयस्तम्भोमुचोमुचोग्लुचोग्लुचोग्लुचोग्लुचोश्रिभ्यश्च
कृमृद्रुहिभ्यश्छन्दसि
क्रमद्ररोहिभ्यश्छन्दसि
चिन्ते पदः
चिन्ते पदः
दीपजनबुधपूरिताहिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
दीपजनबुधपूरिताहिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
दीपजनबुधपूरितायिप्यायितरस्याम्
अचःकर्मकर्तरि
चःकर्मकर्तरि
दुवश्च
विश्च
दुवश्च
न रुदः
नरुदः
नरुदः
तपोनतापेत् च
तपोतापे
तपोनुतापे
च
च
चिन्भावकर्मणोः
चिन्भावकर्मणोः
सार्वधातुके यक्
सार्वधातुके यक्
सार्वधातुकेयक
कर्तरि शप्
कर्तरिषप्
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
दिवादिभ्यश्चन्
दिवाद्यश्यन्
बाभ्राशब्लाशब्रमुक्रमो क्लमुतसि त्रुटिलशः
बाभ्राशब्लाशब्रमुक्रमुक्रमुतसि
क्लशः
यशोनुपसर्गात्
यशोनुपसर्गात्
संयसश्च
संयसश्च
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
श्रवश्र च
श्रुवश्र च
श्रुवश्च
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
तनूकर्णे तक्षः
तनूकर्णे तक्षः
तुदादिभ्यश्यः
तुदादिभ्यश्चः
रुधादिभ्यश्नम्
रुदादिभ्यश्नम्
तनादिकृङ्भ्य उः
अनादिकृङ्भ्य उः
धिन्विकृङ्भ्योरच
दिन्विकृङ्भ्योरच
त्रयादिभ्यश्ना
यादिभ्यश्ना
स्तम्भुस्तुम्भुस्कन्भुस्कुन्भुस्कुङ्भ्यश्नुश्च
स्तम्भुस्तुम्भुस्कम्भुस्कुम्भिस्नुश्च
हलश्नशानज्जौ
हलश्नश्चानज्झौ
छन्दसीशाय जपि
छन्दसि शाय जपि
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
लिङ्ग्याशिष्यम्
निन्याशिष्यम्
कर्मवत् कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
तपस्तपः कर्मकस्यैव
तपस्तपः कर्मकस्यैव
न दुःस्नो नमाम्यक्षिणौ
न दुःस्नु नमाम्यक्षिणौ
कुशिरञ्जोः प्राचांशन् परस्मै पदम् च
कुशीरञ्जोः प्राचांशन् परस्मै पदं च
धातोः
धातोः
तत्रोपपदम् सप्तमे स्थम्
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमे स्थम्
कृदतिङ्
कृदतिङ्
वासरूपो स्त्रियाम्
वासरूपो स्त्रिया
कर्तरि शप्
कर्तरि शप्
अधिप्रभृतिभ्यः शपः
अधिप्रभृतिभ्यः शपः
अदर्शनम् लोपः
दर्शनं लोपः
प्रत्ययस्य लुक्ष्लो लुपः
त्ययस्य
प्रत्ययस्य
लोपः
प्रत्ययलोपे प्रत्ययलक्षणम्
प्रत्ययलोपे प्रत्ययलक्षणम्
न लुमताङ्गस्य
ननुमताङ्गस्य
जुहोत्यादिभ्यश्नुः
जुहोत्यादिभ्यश्लुः
श्लौ
श्लौ
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
दिवादिभ्यश्चन्
वाभ्राशब्लाशभ्रमुक्रमो क्लमुतसि त्रुटिलशः
वाभ्राशभ्राशभ्रमुक्लमुत्तदित्तदित्लशः
त्रिलशः
तरसि त्रुटिलशः
त्रुटिलशः
यशोनुपसर्गात्
यशोनुपसर्गात्
संयसश्च
संयसश्च
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
श्रवश्र च
श्रुवश्र च
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
क्षोण्यतरस्याम्
तनूकरणे तक्षः
तनूकरणे तक्षः
रुदादिभ्यश्यः
रुदादिभ्यश्चः
रुदादिभ्यश्नम्
रुदादिभ्यश्नं
तनादिकृम्भ्यः उः
तनादिभ्यः उः
क्रयादिभ्यश्ना
क्रियादिभ्यश्ना
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलश्लोकसेनालोमत्पशवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निश
व्यापाशरूपवीणातुलिश्लोकसेनालोमत्वाचवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुराभ्यो च
हेतुमति च
चेतुमति च
सितासेल्लुटोः
सितासेर्लुटोः
सार्वधातुके यक्
सार्वधातुके यत्
यस्मात् प्रत्ययविधिः तदादिप्रत्यये अङ्गम्
यस्मात्
प्रत्ययविधिस्तदादिप्रत्यये अङ्गम्
प्रत्यये अङ्गम्
अङ्गस्य
अङ्गस्य
इको गुणवृद्धि
एकोगुणवृद्धिः
इति च
निति च
धीधीवेभीटाम्
विधिवेभिटाम्
सार्वधातुक आर्धधातुकयोः
सार्वधातुक आर्धधातुकयोः
जाग्रो विचिन्नल् गित्सु
जाग्रो विचिन्नमित्सु
उगन्तलघुपदस्य च
उगन्तलघुपदस्य च
मृजे वृद्धिः
निजेर्वृद्धिः
अचोङ्निति
अचोर्निति
अतोपधायाः
अतोपधायाः
तद्धितेषु वचामादेः
तदितेषु आचाम् आदेः
इति च
इति च
What was the last sutra? Sarvadhatuka Ardhatukayoho iti iti Angasya adhikare vartamanam mukhya sutram. Anga karya sambandha sutram. Drishtavantaha sarvadhatuka ardhatukayoho. Right?
Yes.
And we have seen how many sutras are involved in just deriving netru from Nidhatu, just an example. So many sutras are involved. Similarly for everything. The next sutra now, we'll see. I think we don't require any introduction for what we saw. Anga Karyam is important. 7384, Sarvadhatuka Ardhatuka Yoga. 7386, very specific for Jagradhatu, which is not required for us. Just we will read, and then what application will come. Second, third conjugation, Dhatu. That time we will see. Sorry, second conjugation, not third conjugation. Second conjugation, that time we will see. Now, Jagraha Avichinnal Gitsu. The Nanj. So, Sarvadhatuka Ardhatuka Yoga coming as Anuvritti from the previous sutra, 7384. Of course, Gunaha also. Mider Gunaha from that sutra coming as Anuvritti. You can check Sutra Pata. And Angasya iti adhikare vartate. Angasya is 641. And this sutra, it is in 73, section 84, 85, and 86 is Pukantalgu Padasya cha. So 73, important section. These sutras are there. The three sutras, 7384 and 7386, much important. Midir Gunaha, from that Gunaha Nivritti comes. So Sarvadhatuka Ardhatuka Yoho, Gunaha Adeshaha, therefore by Iko Guna Vriddhi Paribhasha, Iklakshana Guna Vriddhi Paribhasha. Therefore, Ikahastane Gunanga Karyam Bhavati. 84, 86. Now in between the sutra is there, that is for specifically for Jagr Dhatu. So Jagraha, it is Sashti Bhakti. Padasya angasya, that is dhatu. Gunaha bhavati, when it happens, then followed by sarvadhatuka or adhatuka pratyaya, except, there's a nanji is there, except vi chin chinthe padaha sutra visa chin pratyaya, null and git pratyaya, iti etesham varjigitva. When these pratyayas are not there, then guna angakaryam will happen for jagru. Otherwise, it will not happen. When these pratyayas are not there, when these are all what pratyaya? Vi, chin, null, nit. These must be adhatuka. Nit could be sarvadhatukam or adhatukum. Possible. When this pratyaya follows, angakaryam will not happen for jagru. Jagriti etasya angasya gunaha bhavati. The exception of these pratyayas. When these pratyayas follows, it will not happen. Jagru will take guna angakarya when followed by sarvadhatuka or adhatuka pratyaya with the exception of vi, chin, null, nyat. Just a note, we are not going to see this now. This is out of context now. Because it is there in between, just a simple meaning. The Puganta Lagu Padasya, which we have seen, two things are there. One is Puk Anta, Puganta, other one is Lagu Upada, Lagu Rasvaha, Upada penultimate. Lagu Padasya cha, because of cha, therefore, for this also Gunaha Bhavati. For this also cha, Gunaha Bhavati. Sarvadhatuka adhatuka yoho, coming as anuvritti. For this pratyaya also, Puganta Lagu Padasya cha, Sarvadhatuka adhatuka yoho, angasya gunaha bhavati. That's what he says here. Puk anta, puki antaha, pukantaha, saptami tat purusha samasa. Puki antaha, pukantaha. Then lagvi chaso upada, lagu upada. Upada is Srilinga, therefore making it karmadharaya, lagvi plus lagvi is Srilinga form of lagu. So pugantascha lagu padacha, puganta lagu padam, tasya shashti tat purusha, shashti vibhakti, not tat purusha, sorry, tasya shashti vibhakti. Pugantascha lagu padacha, samahara danda. This is all some description of this. Already we have seen. Now we won't be able to much appreciate this. Later when we learn samasa, or you can do some get simple understanding of samasa, how these words are formed. So gunaha bhavati, gunaha and sarvadhatuka adhatuka are coming as anuvritti. Important adhigara angasya. This is all you need to remember. Now with anuvritti, with agitam, sarvadhatuka adhatuka yoga, puganta lagu padasya cha gunaha bhavati. You can add one more. The adhigara is that angasya, puganta lagu padasya, angasya. Anuvritti sagitam, angasya cha gunaha bhavati. Pugantasya angasya, lagu padasya cha. Okay. Anga having puk agama, that is puganta. So pu will not take anga. Pu content is pakara only. So puganta means anga having with puk and ending with puk agama. It means if it ended with puk agama, when it will come, that's what we saw. When nich, when ni follows, for akara and the dhatus and other dhatus we saw. Anyway, for akara and the dhatus, if it puk agama comes, what will happen? No guna vriddhi cannot happen because a is there. For other dhatus, it will happen. Other than akaranta, iganta. Not iganta. When puk agama comes, it is no more iganta. When agama comes, it becomes upada. Okay. Right? When agama comes, it becomes upada. Yes or no? The ik letter
Yes.
of the anga will become upada. So then what is the difference between this lagu pada and puganta? Here, anyway, here it is going to be penultimate. Here also going to be penultimate. Then why do we require? Where lagu pada itself is sufficient. Why we require puganta?
Because in Puganta, it not required to be Lagu. It can be Guru
Exactly.
also.
Yeah, that is a point. Important point. Even if it is a dirgha, it will happen. Need not be lagu. That's why it is not rasva ik upada. Rasva ik upada only for this lagu pada. Whereas puganta not required. Once pukkagama comes, it is no more iganta. Penultimate letter need not be rasvaik. If it is ik letter, then when followed by sarvadhataka, radhadhataka pratyaya, angakarya will happen. That is why this is different. That's why this is given. Otherwise, lagu pada alone will sufficient, right?
Yes.
So here the condition is penultimate has to be rasva ik. Whereas puganta, there is no such condition. Once because pukkagama comes, it is going to be the equivalent is going to be penultimate, but in need that no condition that it should be rasvaik. Therefore, even if it is diga, we have seen example. We just quickly see. So pugantasya angasya lagupadasya cha chakarat angasya you have to take. Lagupadasya angasya cha sarvadhatuka adhatukayoh gunaha bhavati. Ik of pugantanga nik which is the lagupada pananga will take guna when sarvadhatuka radhatuka pratyaya follows. Example for lagupada already we have seen all this example. With plus lut. Lut is what pratyaya?
Radhadhatuka.
Exactly.
Yes.
What is the content?
You.
What happened to takara? What are the letters then?
Its letters are la, and
Lakara,
ta.
not il. Takara and lakara.
Yes. Takara loka.
Takara is ith letter. Oh,
True.
no, sir. How can it be?
Halantiam.
Chutu for Adi.
Adi.
Okay.
Yes.
Pratyaya se Adi, first letter.
Okay.
This is Alantyam mit. Lakara is it by
Lashaka.
Lashakwata Dide.
Lashakwatadite. At-tadite. This is not a tadita pratyaya. Therefore, Lakara is it. If it tadita pratyaya, then it will not be it. Content is you, and you will be replaced by Ana. That's a rule.
Yes.
Okay, replace it. What pratyaya now? Ana is
Ardhatuka.
Radhadhatuka.
Adadatuka. Will it take Itagama?
Not because it's not Bal.
It's not Valadi. Important.
Yes, not Baladi.
Vachaspati, we have seen. Remember,
Yes.
Valadi Adadatuka pratyaya will take Itagama. This is not Valadi. And also, Itagama will come only when the Dhatu also is set. That condition also important. Both horoscopes have to match. Then only marriage can happen. Itagama can come. Right?
Yes.
Dhatu has to be set and Pratyaya has to be Valadi. Then only marriage will culminate and child will be born. Otherwise, problem. Huh? Otherwise, Putra Vagyam and all dosha will come. Dosha, something will be there. Right? You have to go to the doctor every time. All these are Jataka dosha. Scientifically, we try to treat, but basically, if horoscope, some problem is there. What will happen? Nothing can happen. So, Ittagama, a child will come. Only father is physically all right, and mother also, right? So, but that's why I say we can always check it. We check, we have to check only by horoscope, sir. We don't have any other choice. We cannot have a trial before marriage. That is Western culture, right?
Yes.
That's why our horoscope speaks. You know, in our horoscope 10 by 10, they say Lakshana. It also includes Yoni Lakshanam also. Our people are very clever. Compatibility in terms of sexual compatibility also, it is included in the horoscope. You know that?
Oh, I didn't know this.
Come on, man. How is that? You ask Jagadat Manji, he knows sexual compatibility. It's called yoni match. Yoni poruttam, they say. Yoni means what?
Wow.
Yoni means
Uh,
sexual organ.
sexual,
Hmm.
yes.
How will you will measure and check? Jatakam will talk about that. Your horoscope will talk about that. Okay.
Oh,
All these things are
amazing.
now you say it's scientific or not. Right? Of course, it is. Your uh, chart in the horoscope gives all these details. Then they will say, okay, everything matching, therefore marriage can be done. But 10 by 10 and all very rare. If 10 by 10 matching happens, then it's you have Swarga in the Bhuloka itself in the form of a wife for your spouse. You will have Swargaloka in here itself. You will not come to Vedanta. No, nobody will come to Vedanta. But anyway, Bhagavan has only few fortunate people may have such matching. Huh? Manishyanam Sagasreshu,
Nice.
like that.
Nice.
Once in 1 in thousands only will have such a thing, combination. They are very rare. They are made for each other, you can say.
Uh-huh.
Therefore, Dhatu has to be said, Pratyaya also has to be Valadi. Otherwise, Ittagama will not come. Okay. If any
Yes.
one of them is there, so what? Then also Ittagama will not come. Right? Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Therefore, no Ittagama business here. Okay. Then what will happen? Since this being Adadatuka Pratyaya, Anga is there, penultimate is Rasvaik, the last letter is consonant. Therefore, penultimate can be a vowel. Penultimate could be a consonant also, possible, right?
Yes.
Yes, possible.
If that is there, Angakari cannot happen. You have to watch for that very. No, you cannot just simply dismiss that. Suppose in the place of Dakar, I'm just saying, suppose Ksha is there. Will Angakari happen?
No.
No.
Because Kriya is a combination of two letters, conjunct consonant. You cannot do it. Understand? So you have to be alert, you
Yes.
have to watch. So therefore, here it has to be penultimate is very clear. So penultimate is Lagu Upada. Then Sarvadhatika Adadhatika Yoho Parayoho. Then Angasya Ika Iklakshana with not Igantasya. You have to say Ikahastane Gunaha Adesha Bhavati Adadhatuka Pratyaye Pare. Therefore B become Be. Therefore Bed plus Ana Bedana. Can Natum happen here?
No.
Yes? No.
No.
Why?
Not on.
Hmm. Hmm.
This.
There should be Repa, Rukara, Shakara. It's not there. Where is the question of Natum?
Yes. Yes.
Right, sir? Hmm?
Correct.
There should be Repa,
Duraba not Shaka.
Rukara, or Shakara. Nakara, okay, not at the end of the Padam. Fine. It's not Padanta Nakara. That's okay. But where is the Nimitta? The Nimitta is not there.
Rashabhyan no some.
When Nimitta is not there, how Natum will happen? Right? Understand? Therefore, that Natum will not happen here. Again, for Lagu Pada, another example. Krish plus Tip. This previous example, Adadhatuka Pratyaya. This is for Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Krish plus Tip. Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya Pare. What is Sutra? Kartari.
Shapa.
Shap.
Yes.
Shap will come. Then Kartari Shap. So now Krish becomes the Anga for Shap. And Krish plus Shap becomes Anga for Tip. Now Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows. And this is the Anga. That is why Yasmat Pratyaya Vidi Tadadi Pratyangam. That definition is a complete definition. So Anga is. So again here also Puganta Lagu Padasya cha will apply. Lagu Pada, therefore Sarvadhatuke Pratyaye Pare Ikakastane Upada is equator. So angasya ikahastane. We should not say igantasya. That's wrong. Where is the anta? Therefore ikahastane. Angasya ikahastane only. We cannot apply the paribhasha. What paribhasha? Alontasya paribhasha don't apply here. Because upada only taking angakarya, right? Taking guna. You should not say igantasya angasya. Alontasya paribhasha will not apply here. Angasya ikahastane. Anga having equilater, that equilater will take guna. That's it. The Pukru become Karsh, Karsh plus Shap, Karsha, Karshati. This cannot, even though Iti Pratyaya, Sarvadhatika Pit Pratyaya, Angakare cannot happen. Why? Adantatvat. Ikaha Sthane Eva, Guna Angakarim Bhavati. Atra tu Adantatvat, Angakarim na Bhavati. Therefore, Karshati. Again, one more example.
Yes.
Future tense, Lut Lakara. Okay. Here I have written anit. What is this anit means? I taught you before. Well, Rit Lakara, Lit Pratyaya, Satasil, Litoho by that sutra. Rit Pratyaya
Yes.
Pare, Sya Vikarana Pratyaya will come. What Pratyaya is this?
Ardhatuka.
Ardhatuka Pratyaya, Valadi, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Then why Itagama doesn't come? Dhatu
Because
is anit.
That is
yes,
it.
to
Dhatu
this
is anit. Therefore, no Itagama. That is why anit I have written here. Both conditions have to be fulfilled. How do you know Dhatu is, suppose Dhatu is anit? Right? This also I taught you. Dhatu is anit. In the Upadeshika Dhatu, in the Dhatu Pata, it will be Tuda something. It will be like this. Okay. Tell me, how do you find out from the Dhatu Pata, this is Anit Dhatu? How do you find out? I taught you. Huh?
Yes.
Hmm.
This is 7th section.
Dhatu is Tuda only. Tuda. How do you know this is Anit Dhatu?
by the swara of the
Yes.
the last
By Swara.
word. This
Last word, no. By the Swara of the last, it's by the Swara of the It letter,
Yes, yes.
by the Swara of the Anunasika It, you can find out whether it's the Atmanepadi or Parasmepadi.
Yes.
But that will not, that is only for Atmane by the Swara of this. This Dhatu is
Yes.
Parasmepadi. Therefore, what could be the Swara of this letter? It has to be, this is a Parasmepadi Dhatu. Therefore, Swara must be what? We are doing reverse process.
Yes.
The Swara cannot be Anudata.
Yes.
If it is Anudata Ingita, Anudata Ita Atmanepadi. This cannot be, therefore Swara has to be Udata. This is number one. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
That is for this letter. What about, this is a, now Tuddhi is a Dhatu, Ekach Dhatu, right?
Yes.
The Ekach Dhatu, what happens? What is the Swara of the Ananunasika letter? This is non-nasalized. That means it's not a Ita letter. If the Swara of this Dhatu is, the vowel is, Ananunasika is Anudata, then it is Anit. Therefore, Dhatu Pata, you see, you will find the Ukara must be what?
Anudata.
Anudata Swara. Therefore, it has to be Anit. You can find out like that.
Yes.
Do you remember this I taught you?
Yes.
Yes.
Dhatu is to the Takara plus So from that we can easily find out. Therefore, only
Yes.
now we have Shuddha plasya, even though baladi adadatuka pratyaya, anudatatvat, anit. Therefore, dhatu is anit. Anunasika it, udatatvat, parasmaipadi. Anudataha chet atmanepadi. Okay.
Yes.
If it is swarita, then ubepadi. Okay. Therefore, here, dhatu is, of course, parasmaipadi, that is by tip pratyaya, corresponding to the Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam for lit lakara. Sya is adadatuka pratyaya valadi, but dhatu is anit, therefore no ittagama. Then tud is the anga for sya, tud plus sya is the anga for tip. Now, angakarya will happen or not?
Yes.
Angakarya will happen. It has nothing to do with ittagama, whether ittagama comes or not. Angakarya will happen. If ittagama comes, you do ittagama and then do angakarya. Don't do before, huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Do angakarya and then do ittagama and then do angakarya. Now here we can apply lagu upada, adadatuka pratyaya pare. Here upada is equilater, therefore ikahastane vanadesha bhavati tod. Tod plus here, what rule?
Karicha.
Next one.
Karicha.
Karicha will apply because dakara
Karicha.
not is the jal at the end of the padam. So all of the sutra will not apply directly. You can apply karicha by that totsyati. Totsya is the anga for tip pratyaya. Even though sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya follows, anga is not iganta adantatvat anga karyam na bhavati totsyati totsyatah totsyanti iti rupam. Similarly, likadhatu, simple one. Sarvadhatuka pratyaya pare kartari shap sutra kartari shap. But this dhatu is, why shap doesn't come here? Because
Because
tudadikana.
it
Tudadibhyaha shaha. Therefore, apavada. Kartari shap is Tudadigana dhatu. Kartari shap is utsarga. This is Tudadigana. Otherwise, shap comes, what will happen? You will not have likati. What will you have?
Lekati.
Lekati. That is why likati form you know. From that also we can infer the dhatu must be belonging to sixth conjugation, not first conjugation, not fourth conjugation also. If it is fourth conjugation, it becomes likyati, something like that. Likyati. It is not. So, angakarya, lagu pada, angakarya will not happen. Then why I gave this example here? This is Vyatireka Udaharan, counter example. Because the next one is Angakaryam Lagu Pada, Angakaryam Na Bhavati. For that, only this is example. Angakaryam Na Bhavati. Because even though Lagu Pada, Pratyaya is Sadhadatukam Apiti Nitvat, Niticha by that sutra, right? Iklakshana Gunavriddhi is negated. Understand?
Yes.
Next one will happen. The next one future tense. Satasil Lulatoho by that sutra. Sya comes lik plus sya plus lit. This dhatu is, now tell me. This is Parasmapadi Atmanepadi. We have to find out from the dhatu pata. But I tell you, this is number one Parasmapadi. We know already here Litti Pratyaya is there. Number two, this must be Set dhatu. Dhatu is Set dhatu. Because I know the form. Therefore, I can tell. If it is Set dhatu, then what could be the swara of E of the Lik dhatu?
Udata. Not
Udata.
another.
Not Anudata, it must be Udata. Right?
Yes.
You can check dhatu pata later. It will be. So now Adadhatuka Pratyaya Valadi follows. Therefore, Ittagama will come. Is here. First we do it.
Yes.
When Adadhatuka Pratyaya follows, now we can apply Puganta Lagupada Angasya Ikastane Vanadesha Bhavati Lake. Then first you do that. After that, we can do Shatvam. Don't forget to do it. Adesha Pratyayoho. Sakara of the Pratyaya, Avyava of the Pratyaya, preceded by in, in due to Itagama, therefore Shattam will happen. So Lekishya is the anga for tip, Adantanga. So future tense also, always you will have Sya. Sya means the anga will be ending with A with regard to Pratyaya. So no anga karya will happen, don't worry. Understand? This is
Yes.
also Adantanga only. Future tense also Adantanga only. 1, 4, 6, 10 future tense also you can include. So Lekishyati iti Rupam. Then for Pugantanga, example, 3 plus, this is what we see, Nijanta Rupam. 3 dhatu, when Nich Pratyaya follows, Pukkagama will come by the Sutra 7336, which we just saw. And the context will come, there we will see in detail. Pukkagama is Kit Agama. So this get Pukkagama. Pukkagama is Kit Agama, therefore 3 is the Anga, therefore Adyantau Takito by that Sutra, Ante Bhavati. Staninaha Ante. So 3 plus Nich. Now what will happen? This is Pugantanga, but it is not Lagu Pada. Puganta, that will apply, not Lagu Pada. That is why two things are the Puganta Lagu Pada Secha. Puganta is Hri Ikastane Guradesha Bhavati Iklakshana Gunavriddhi Paribhasha will apply. Nich Pratyaya, therefore Hri will become Hre. AP is a Sanadyantaha Dhataha by that Sutra 3132 is a new Dhatu. Adideshika Dhatu. And therefore, Adideshika Dhatu is derived Dhatu. Is it set or anit?
Set.
Because this set is, anit is applicable, set, these are all, this anit, okay, if we talk about anit, anit is applicable only for Ekach Dhatu of the Aupadeshika Dhatu, Dhatus which are given by Panni Maharshi in the Dhatu Pata. Not for Adideshika Dhatu. Because anit is, the rule is, if the Dhatu is Ekach and the Swara of Ananunasika Ach of the Dhatu is Anudata, then it is Anit. That is a rule. So Ekach, Dhatu has to be one voweled Dhatu. If the Dhatus are more than one voweled, then it has to be set only. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Therefore, this is a set Dhatu. Now Latlakara is I have done here. Repi plus Tip. Kartari Sarvadhatike Shap. Repi, now here see Puganta Lagupada is Repi, not Puganta Lagupada. Re is here ending with equal letter itself. Right? Therefore, Iklakshana Vridhi, Igantasya Angasya Guna Bhavati. Therefore, Repaya, the Ayadi Sandhi will apply. So Repayati. Okay. Here only Puganta is applying, and here we apply Lagu Pada only. So not Lagu Pada, we apply Sarvadhatuka Adadhatuka Yoga. It's an example for 7384. I mean, that will apply. Sutra is 7386, what we are saying. Puganta Lagu Padasya. Here it is 7386. Okay, please note. 7386. Now the same thing, why don't we try with future tense? I'm just copy pasting this. Hrepi future tense, huh? What will happen? Tell me. Hrepi is a new dhatu. It is said dhatu, it has to be. Will it? Then what happens? Sya comes. Right? Then
Yes.
Chetasi lulitoho. Then Repi, Itagama will come or not? Will come.
Yes.
Because Anekash
Yes.
dhatu. Repi plus, yeah, P will become Hare. Right? Angakarya will happen. Yes or no? Repe.
Yes.
Yes.
Then Repe plus A plus Ayadi Sandhi you do. And then we can do Shatvam. Ayadi Sandhi would be A plus Repai, Yakara plus E, Repai, Sya. Then we can do Repahishya, Shatvam we can do here. This is the Anga. Anga is Adantanga. Therefore, no Anga Karyam. Repahishyati. This is a Rupa. Right?
Yes.
Then R dhatu, another dhatu, R plus nish. This also is given in the 7336 rule. The arti, the word is there, stands for the dhatu R. How it is, we'll see
This
later.
is I will it will make happen to blush.
Huh?
He yishyati.
Ah.
This is to blush.
Yeah, that is Hari and all comes from this dhatu only. Yes. Hari, the lajja, yam, artha. Yes.
Well done.
Hare Paishati means I will cause you to feel ashamed, shy.
Fine.
Uh,
Nice.
okay. R plus nish. This Pukagama will come and therefore R will is there. It is not anta. Ikastane gunadesha bhavati adadatuka pratyaya pariyar. Therefore R will become ar. We know Urandra Praha also applies. Arp plus ERP. I'm not writing all the sutra. You take it as a homework and try how many sutras are involved in applying, forming this. RP plus tip, arpe, arpaya, arpayati, right?
Nice.
Then da dhatu, akaranta dhatu. You get niche follows. All akaranta dhatu will get pukagama. Dapi plus tip. Anekach dhatu. Therefore, it has to be set. But there is no question of set when we do adha dhatu kalakara. That is latlakara here. So don't worry. If we do sarvadhatuka, sorry, we are doing sarvadhatu kalakara, don't worry. If it is adha dhatu kalakara, like ilrit, etc., then itagama will come for the pratyaya. Here we are doing only sarvadhatu kalakara, latlakara. Therefore, no question of itagama here. So sarvadhatu ke pratyaya pare, dapi plus shap plus tip. Dapi, anga ending with e. Lakshana gunavriddhi will apply. Sarvadhatuka, adha yogo. Dapi become dape, ayadi sandhi, dapaya, dapayati, iti rupam. Okay. Note. And here one Kashika, one small note is there. Pugantasya angasya lagu padasya cha sarvadhatu kadhatu gunaga bhavati pratyadehe angasya avayasya cha alaha anantila sati lagu padaha na vyavartyate. Please note this is we have seen. The final letter of the anga and the first letter of the pratyaya form a conjunct, then it's called sanyoga. Then lagu upada of the anga doesn't lose his lagutvam by the sutra. This is important. An intelligent student may ask this question. Vidya plus trich, this is consonant, followed by takara also consonant. Then this is not a sanyoge guru. The question will come. If it's sanyoge guru, then what will happen? It is guru, then this cannot be. The upada cannot be. Then guru means what? If it is guru, then upada cannot be lagu. The final letter of the anga, the first letter of the pratyaya, both from a conjunct consonant, right? Then what will happen is this will enjoy the sanya, sanyoge guru. It cannot enjoy two sanyas. It cannot be guru and it cannot be lagu also. Only one is possible. So, but it will not enjoy the sanya guru. Therefore, anga karyam will happen. Otherwise, you will not have betru. Please note. That's what Kashika Kara says. Pratyaya adeghe means first letter of the pratyaya. Angasya vayasya chaloho. Anga, last letter of the anga vayava is a hal. Anantarye, when they come together, no gap. Then lagu upada gunaha na vyavartyate. It is not restricted, doesn't lose. Vyavartanam na bhavati. Na vyavartyate. Karmani prayoha vyavartyate. Lagu upada, that lagu upada will not lose its lagu padatvam. Lagutvam. Upada letter will not lose its lagutvam. Therefore, guna angakarya will happen only. Therefore, E, which is lagu only, don't apply sanyoge guru here. So note is given. Interesting note. Therefore, with the plus trich, B will become, that is E will become A. Therefore, Betru. We'll stop here. Have to get ready for the class. We'll see. Brijay Vriddhi. Next class. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnamadachyate पूर्णस्य
पूर्णस्य
पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते
पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते
ॐ
ॐ
शान्तिः
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 हरिः ॐ
ॐ
श्रीगुरुभ्यो
श्रीगुरुभ्यो
नमः
नमः
हरिः ॐ धन्यवादः
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.